Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix your Blue Sherpa program for your Blue Yeti microphone. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the device manager, and from here we just want to make sure that our Blue Yeti is updated. So head over to the sound, video, and game controllers, look for your microphone. You could also go ahead and see that inside the audio inputs and outputs, and basically from here we could see the microphone that's plugged in onto our computer. Now as an example, let's go ahead and use this one, which is our USB condenser microphone. You just want to right click on it, click on the update drivers option, and just search automatically for drivers online, making sure that you have the latest one installed to your computer. Right after, you want to simply use the right USB connection. Now this is where most people get it wrong because they are plugging it into the slowest USB port on their computer. So most likely you're using something like USB 2.0. For the updated ones, there's going to be this blue highlighted on the USB port itself. So you just want to make sure that you plugged it on your USB 3.0, not on the 2.0. And basically for the last option, you could just reinstall the Blue Sherpa application. Now to do that, head over to the Add or Remove Programs on your computer. And here just search for Blue Sherpa and uninstall it. Head back to the official website. Install a fresh copy, which basically has no missing files or corrupted data. And basically from there, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.